Encircle. Okay, next. This triangle naman. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay, where's number 10? Good job. Okay, encircle number 10.
Tawa ka ng tawa.
Next. Yung leaves naman. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Or where's number 6? Okay. Encircle number 6.
No.
Saan ang number 6 dyan? Okay, encircle. Next. The trees. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ulitin. From the start.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, where is number 7 here? Okay, good job. Encircle. Okay, very good. Here. Okay, this is greater than and this is less than. Okay, ito po, ang kaharap niya yung mas marami. And here ay yung mas maliit. Opo. Ngayon, ang bibilugan mo yung mas marami. Nasaan ang mas marami dito?
This one.
Okay, encircle. Ito po.
Huh?
Encircle mo po ito. Kasi yung nasa harapan niya, mas marami.
Marami.
Opo.
This.
Ganito po ang circle mo. Ayan. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. Ito yung star. Bilangin mo muna to. 1.
1, 2,
How about this one? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ano pong mas marami? Yung 2 or 5?
Oh, 5.
Okay. Encircle the... Ayan. Greater than. Okay, next. How about the apple?
Later.
How about the apple? Ilan to?
This one.
Okay. Yan, encircle. Encircle. Nasa ang circle mo? Okay, very good.
Dami.
Okay, nasa na mas marami? Yan, good job. Sa upuan, nasa na mas marami? Ito po or ito po?
Ito.
Okay, encircle mo.